Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Over the past few weeks, I've been working on a personal project, preparing my entry for the Infinity Paint contest. I'm excited to share a new series of videos that will walk you through the entire painting process. Every great miniature begins with a perfect priming stage. Make sure to clean and degrease the surface before applying the primer. This ensures the primer adheres perfectly to the surface. I recommend Vallejo's Black Primer as the ideal base color. It provides a deep, rich starting point, allowing us plenty of room to build up highlights with the best possible contrast. Once the gray is applied, spraying the magenta is straightforward. Just be sure to cover every surface facing downward. Next, we'll introduce both value and temperature contrast to our priming. By mixing turquoise and white ink in a 50-50 ratio, we achieve the perfect balance of saturation and coverage. Now, with this light turquoise, we can start building up the volumes on our miniature. Carefully choose the spots you want to emphasize and build up thin layers gradually. Keep the air flowing without color to speed up the drying process. I've included most of this process so you can see how I chose to highlight the volumes. For the next step, I simply added more white ink to the mix. This increases the luminosity, allowing us to punch up the highlights on the top areas. At this point, we can follow the general pattern we've established. Just focus on the center of the already illuminated areas and keep the highlighted volumes smaller than the previous ones. And with that, the priming of the model is complete. The main colors and contrasts are in place, setting the stage for the next phase, oil colors. Please drop a like and subscribe to my channel for more updates.